too early to judge. And I explain why in a second. Let's come out. Hey, that's expensive, is it not? A custom tailor. That must be crazy. Who did that? Insecurity is much fun. You're projecting.
You are as a person thanks to the mock-up. It was so cool to see.
Sorry.
That new
Subs are chill! I wasn't even here yet! Why? I'll buy it now. It's only $8 and if I don't like it, I can refund. I don't know if it's a Dutch thing, but Dutch people have a toilet that's in a really small closet. And then later tonight, like much later, like hours later, I will be playing some of Ellum and Friends. Jesus Christ. So I'm staying away from that. We might have to amputate, like, the whole head. I'm sorry. Oh. I'm back! Oh boy. Nah, I didn't gargle my mouthwash, but...
the toothbrush. Oral.
Hello. Have you booked? You played any MiHoYo game, so basically... I'm well behaved. See? You now! Oh god. The rush of success is like... Let's see. Who was Riley? He has a bodysuit with built-in mocap. That's cool now, but... Okay.
That is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Wait, my rapid fire burp, like my...
Yeah, okay, guys.